Hello YouTube, Mark05790 coming back at you with another unboxing. But before I get started, I will not be unboxing this. The guy at GameStop went to scan it in, and he thought he scanned it in, and it didn't go through. And I didn't realize this till I actually got here, and I don't want to feel as if I stole this. But I will show you what all comes in it. Sorry, I'm like really tired and filled with adrenaline. I ran there, and this is late at night. It's like 8 o'clock. Yeah, you can get a map of the Commonwealth. You can get a poster pack. Here's the map, posters, and this is just everything that's in Fallout 4, the standard. So I don't think this will be covering any of the DLC, because that would be weird for it to. Oh, this is the book. And this is the stuff right here, because it's two separate things. Anyways, let's move on to the actual game. Here's my dog tags. There we go. Make it to where you guys can't see my actual name and everything. This is really hard to do with one hand. Okay. It's now open. Back. Oh, yeah, that's right. Exclusive perk poster. It says "Welcome Home." Bethesda Studio, award-winning creators of Fallout 3 and Skyrim, welcome you to the most ambitious game ever. Next generation of open world gameplay. I've been looking forward to this game even before it was announced. Okay. This says Dishonored 2 and Doom and Elder Scrolls Online. I don't know why they have an advertisement for Elder Scrolls Online when they already have it. Pretty much everyone does. Okay, I'm just turning it away so that... Okay, that's just game controls. Game controls. Pretty cool. Then the perk poster. Give me a moment and I'll actually go over the inside of the case. I just want to look at the perk poster in the case real quick. There's the basic ones on the top. Look. Strength. Try to make it to where the light doesn't shine in. Perception. I'm just do two at once. Charisma and intelligence. And agility and luck. Yeah. Pretty much everything is still the same as whenever we got New Vegas and Fallout 4, except for the basic gameplay and everything's still the same, except for VATS is in slow-mo, and you don't necessarily have to use VATS in this game. So it's gonna be a unique game in itself. And we got Dogmeat and the Lone Survivor, which I believe this is the female depicted right here. Let's see if there's anything behind that. Oh, yes, there is. One of the gas stations, it says Red Rocket. Wow. Wow. Red Rocket. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm gonna go play this now. Peace.